Okay, combustible clearance. So this one is very important. So for all the C vent, B vent, so we need the clearance from the combustible material. Yeah, so like this data plate or nameplate. So there's a require minimum clearance 1 inch from the combustible material. Yeah, so this one, so that means is B vent. Is B vent. Yeah, so here type B vent. Yeah, so B vent requires a smaller space from the the combustible material. Yeah, so only 1 inch is enough. So and we see this one. So here there's like a square fire stop support or insulated shield or some like we call it a snibble. Just protected the pipe, the exhaust pipe, and with the combustible materials keep the space there. Yeah, so sometimes like this area, the broken or loose. So we have check. Yeah, so we have checked this pipe should be just in the middle of this area, or this opening. Yeah, so cannot just one side is okay, another side just touch to the materials. So that's not good. Yeah, so this is same. So the ring cap. So sometimes, so the ring cap is blown by the wind. Blow out the wind, so you will see only the pipe there, so no ring cap. So you can take picture and make notes. So they need a new ring cap. Yeah, and when we check the attic, so we will be careful around here. So we have a picture before, so we saw the water marks or water stains on the B vent. Yeah, so that means the water may be leaking from here. Yeah, so here, yeah, so like if there's a leaking, so normally they need a roof guy to seal again. Yeah, so if is so this is the B vent. So if it's like the 636, the plastic in this attic area, because it's not insulation. Yeah, this area is not insulation. The temperature is almost the same with the outside. So like an unconditioned area, we need the insulation for the 636. I can't remember if we have picture later. I think maybe we have picture later. Yeah.
Yeah, you bet, Sam. Now, did you want to take the lunch break here before we get into all these defect photos?
Okay.
You want to do that? Okay.
Okay, we come back half hour.
Sure. Yeah, you bet. We'll come back half past. If anyone has any questions, again, you can put them into the chat box, or you can wait till we resume. Other than that, we'll see you guys about half past.
Okay.
Okay. Awesome. Did anyone have any questions that came up during the break for Sam about anything we've talked about so far? If not, we'll get into all these common defects that we typically find during inspections. Thanks, Sam.
Okay. Yeah, so let's see the picture here. So in fact, this one is B vent. So normally, so we should be careful the clearance with combustible material. So we can see there's a pipe just attached to the B vent. So normally it's not allowed. And the middle one, so like the drywall, we should think it's about the combustible material. So we shouldn't just the B vent just attach to the drywall. Yeah. So if you use the pipe like a picture like this, maybe we can put nibbles, so and just protect the pipe and with the drywall. Yeah, so there's I think there we should have the picture. I can't remember exactly. So there should like the two metal piece and around the the two metal piece there's a space. So just one is inside the metal, just cover the B vent, and the outside is attached to the wall. So there's a space before these two metals, and it can protect like this. Yeah. So like this picture. So normally for the venting, so it doesn't matter it's metal, aluminum, or the PVC. So all the venting, so normally we have a slope. Yeah. So the slope is at least is like I think it's a 1/4 inch per foot. Yeah. So normally like that. So and if you saw the the vent, so it doesn't matter is a metal or the PVC, is not a slope to one side. Is somewhere is high, somewhere is low. So normally that is not good. Yeah. So for the venting, so it should be careful, because if not venting properly, so the carbon monoxide will come out. Yeah. So here, so in the attic, we will find more troubles in the attic, because nobody will go there all the time to check. Yeah. So you see here, yeah, same problem like the combustible clearance. They just put the stuff like this. So there's no space there. So and just if it's a problem, maybe cause a fire or something like that. Yeah. So on the right side, so on the one side is okay, like this side. So the space clearance should be okay. So because for the B vent, we need 1 inch is enough. But this one looks is a C vent. So if it is C vent, so need 6 inch. So that means not enough. And this side, so just attached to the wood. So that's not a safety, And 636, the PVC vent. So there is a very important requirement by code is 12 inch to the ground. Yeah. So you see this one. So I don't know if there's a 12 inch, but doesn't matter if it's 12 inch. So but there lots of grass here. So it's not good. So we have measure if it's over 12 inch. If less than that, we should make notes, and maybe need a gas filter to come back to change the terminals. So if, for example, if it's less than 12 inch, we should run the pipe go up, and then come out. Oh, so this picture, so we talked before. So it's like a 636 or PVC pipe. If the pipe in the unconditioned area, like attic, so they should be insulated. Yeah. So because like this area, if it's very cold days, so the condensate water maybe is froze around the inside of the pipe, and then the ice will be built up and completely block the pipe. So if like that, so the furnace will be not run. Yeah, it will be alarm like the pressure switch problem or the venting problem. Yeah, so like that.